I'm drunk? Huh? It's my mama is calling my market. It's me. Huh? It's my work. It's my Rasmin. Huh?
Net, what is your answer? Papa's
What
drunk.
what is your answer? Is my papa is my drunk and alcohol. Ah. Anong sabi mo sa akin? Ano mo sabi mo sa akin? Ha?
Wala.
Wala. Mag-inom lang ako. Patay tayo dyan. Ha? I came my work. Is my rice mill is ay, hindi ko man, ibig sabihin kung anong hindi sa Tagalog na eh. Oh, kasi, ay may ano, my work is my rest mill. I'm for you is my baby is wag kang magalit sa akin kung mag-inom ako ngayong gabi. Kasi it's my adi
Rest time.
is a Sunday is walang pasok kayo bukas. Sunday is my adi bukas. Oh, wag kang magkasakit na mag-inom ako ngayong gabi.